Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna go dive back into Solana once again and thank you for the support that you've been showing, and it really means a lot. Can you really quickly go to Adam Coins on YouTube and please like the video, and it's gonna mean a lot. It's gonna mean a lot. I put in hours and hours to actually update you guys, and it really means a lot if you guys can actually do that. Now, talking about Solana really quickly, I'm gonna dive into the 1 hour time frame, yeah, and in here we can see something here going on. And yesterday we had this, channel that was broken, and it was like moving towards the downside. Now I do see something very weird at the moment. I just noticed it. Are we making a double top here? If this is a double top, it's gonna be bad, okay? And that's gonna be your neckline right there. So if you start losing this level at the moment, okay, take the top there to the bottom, and this is gonna take you nearly $226, $227. Who knows? We can come back all the way down to $218 for one last shake off before we move towards the moon, towards the $315. Now, yeah, the $315 is still a price that is there. It is there unless the charts get abandoned, but at the moment it is there. Now, there's one more thing I want to tell you guys, and in here, yesterday we broke out, made a fake out, failed the retest, and that's the reason why we dumped, because the Bitcoin dump. Now the funny thing is, I've been telling you guys that this price target is there, and I was giving you $220 price target also. Now the weird thing is that the dump happened a day or a few hours later after I was expecting the prices to go down. So I actually like had a mismatch of my timing and the the dump. Okay, I was expecting this pump to be a breakout to continue towards the upside. Of course, we lost the retest, and that's the reason why we even fall much more harder on our face. And this is because of Bitcoin. And I always say this. Always watch out for Bitcoin if you're trading Solana, because it tends to follow Bitcoin. And even right now, we went up, but it seems like we're trying to get the retest, and it's like it's failing. But who knows, okay? But if you start losing these levels, if you start to making the double top, if it plays out, then you are looking to go towards nearly this area, which is the $226. Okay, you expect that. So that means basically this down channel can come like this, and this one can come down like that, and you can find support right over there. This one can like go all the way down, breaking this, double top. This is a clear double top, okay, nonetheless, and they're bearish. So if you start to see the rollover, you can try to get an entry right there, okay? But on a higher time frame, it's nothing to be worried about, to be shaken about. And I'm pretty sure in November it's going to be very, very positive in here. So I'm just gonna take the fibs once again, and the reason why I'm telling you $315 is a level that you have, you're gonna get. Okay, it's doing everything to actually get there. It's making some small like retracements and correction along the way, which is healthy for the market. It's nothing bearish. There's nothing bearish about having some drops like this, okay? Please don't be shaken out, okay? Not a financial advice. Don't sell it to they're trying to buy cheap from you, okay? Don't do that. So this is the 0.618. Put a tick right there. That takes you nearly 1.618, okay? And unless you do not start see Solana come down and lose the $170, that's when I'm gonna say, okay guys, that's it for me, okay? And let's start on the EMAs, and let's start to see if we can find anything into the EMAs as well. Now there is one thing here. In a bull market, okay, if you start to see a deeper correction, if you ever start to see a much larger correction towards the downside, or a huge dump basically, I do think you're gonna find this trend line which has been respected. Do you see this? This is a trend line that has been respected, and it has some few touches here, another touch there, some few touches right here, another nearly touch right there. So if it would ever come near here, it would have been to $207, and that would be normal before you continue to $314. You see, the bigger that you correct, man, the higher you're gonna go. So there's nothing bad with having corrections. Don't lose your mind, and don't keep a 1 hour vision, okay? And this 55 EMA, of course, it always comes near the 55 EMA. Do you see that? It never touches the 55. It never does that, and it has a habit to do that. So I do think if you ever start to see a bigger correction, You can go down there, but finger crossed, okay? It's not important that you're gonna fall down. And at the moment, yeah, I told you, if you start losing the 170, I'm gonna put a horizontal line near the 169 like that. So if you ever see Solana doing something stupid, coming down all the way down, lose this level, back test, that's it. That's the bear market scenario for me. That's gonna start, you know, not even the bear market scenario, but you're gonna go into a downtrend. You know, we are losing the golden ratio, so you're invalidating the uptrend, okay, and you're making a wave known as the downtrend. So this is an uptrend. If you start coming here, lose this level, back test, that's a downtrend, okay, that you're making a downtrend. So in an uptrend, when you have up, down, up, this is down, and I think this is the end of your correction, because we are already bouncing off the 20. If I kind of zoom in here just a little bit, okay, you're finding support at the 20, and if that's a good sign, okay, that's healthy. And right now you're trying to battle with the 10, and you're making something known as a bullish engulfing candle on the daily, and that is bullish. That means that tomorrow you can see Solana going up, okay? It is what it is. I don't see the downfall at the moment. I don't see a downfall. And if you don't know anything about bullish engulfing, we can go to Google right now, you can search it, okay, bullish engulfing pattern, okay, and this looks something like this one, okay. I'm gonna show you this image right there. You can see the green body of the green candle right there. It overtakes the red one, okay, and in here Solana is doing the same. The green candle, I'm just gonna hide the EMS so that you can see very clearly once again, and the green candle right there, it is overtaking the red candle. Do you see that? I'm just going to zoom in here. Sometimes people say we cannot see clearly, so I'm going to do this just for the sake of clarity right there. So this green, do you see the body of the green is bigger than the body of the red? Just what we are expecting right there, and this means uptrend. I'm going to show you, okay. So when you see a bullish engulfing, look what happens next. Bam, we're moving towards the upside, okay. So this candle, it closes in the next 11 hours, okay, and if we close above this red candle, if we close above $239, I do think Solana is going to continue towards the upside, okay, and find the first resistance at the $265 before we come down to $250 for the retest as well, and from there the next target's 265, 275, and finally 314. Maybe take a breather right over there. Who knows? We can go all the way straight to 400, then come back to 315, make a small retest right over there, and continue towards nearly the end of the bull market, which is going to be the $700 region. So yeah, that's it for today's Solana update, and I hope you enjoyed this update right there. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.